predominantly comes to my mind is that we've got to motivate young people into thinking about starting businesses. They have desire, but they don't have the training. And so I think we've got some major changes to do within our educational system to give them less theory, more applied thinking, more business cases that are real, that the instructor, the facilitator, the professor in the program has had experience with himself or herself, that they can come in and say, well, this is what it's really like, and to tell them how and what skills they used to solve that problem. So the motivation of young people, the encouragement of existing businesses to stick at it, to stay with it. It's tough times out there. They're not getting a lot of support of the right kind from government. And government, I think, needs to be looking at its policies that differentiate the small micro business from the medium size. It's very, very differently to have a 2-person operation than a 249-person operation. Those are entirely different businesses, and you can't put policies that affect them into one big envelope and say, these are the policies.